Hey y'all, Bennett here with Tunefox. This tutorial is going to teach you how to shuffle through songs, licks, and favorites. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to our little right hand toolbar up here. So you can see your profile is right here. You have your account settings. You can click on song list if you're not there. There's an FAQ, and then you can get in touch with Tunefox by clicking this button. You can shift through instruments by clicking here. So you have guitar, mandolin, and banjo. Banjo is what we're currently on. And then you can sort through songs, licks, and favorites. So if we go to licks, you'll see the list of licks right there. And then these little icons are the favoriting icons. So if you select those and then you go back up to your right hand toolbar and you click on favorites, then you'll see them pop up here. And right now I only have licks favorited, so let's go back to songs and favorite some songs. Beginner Banjo 1, Beginner Banjo 2, and Bill Cheatham. Go back up to favorites, and they'll show up there at the top. So songs and licks.